Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2008 Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out, while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, FWD, headlights auto off, remote trunk release, mirror memory, mirrors power, passenger, navigation system. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.